Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell my amazing journey in a woodcraft area in Sri Lanka where we will get lot of types of wood materials. For example, natural coloring, which is dye, and they make different colors of dye using science. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.
This old wood growing in Sri Lanka. Can we start?
Yeah.
And this is ebony and royal ebony. These two very hard and heavy wood, very difficult work with this. You can see, you feel the weight this one. And that's ebony. And this is the royal ebony. Two colors like this. You can see the out of production like this. Two colors, two tone. And this is the one of wood, special wood. When you put the water, that wood piece not floating, sinks in. That's because of like a stone. That's right. And then after you can see teak, mahogany and mara. This we use for furniture. Teak also, yes. This is the best one for the outdoor furniture also. Out of teak production, so you can keep it to your garden when comes sunshine, rain, nothing will happen for this. Because it has natural green. Okay? And this is coconut, palm family tree. And these things you can use soup salads. Yeah. You can see, ma'am, this is the coconut trunk, coconut tree. And this trunk has two parts, inner part and outer part. We do not use this area. We are taking these pieces from the outer part. Outer part is strong. Okay. So, this is another special wood. Out of this wood, we are making different colors. I'll show you how to get the colors. That's very interesting. In English, we call this tree rainbow tree. Okay. The mill and sabu, these two we use for building purposes. We are making door frames, window frames as well. And kaduru is we have a lightest wood, soft and easy to work. It's similar. Have you heard about balsa wood? Balsa wood growing in Europe. Yeah. So out of this wood, we are making these kind of traditional masks. You can see that these masks we have a different meaning. People are believing. We call this one peacock mask. Peacock for peace, love, prosperity, and happiness. That's for the family love. Fire, friendship, and harmony. Cobra for protection. Evil eye, evil mouth, hair. Against bad spirits. And this is we call Gurula, that's combination cobra with bird, that's a mythological bird, that's for the power. And this is medicine mask. It has 18 faces for the every diseases against. So this mask, ma'am, you can hang it in front of house, inside, outside room, main entrance, anywhere you can hang it. You can see we hung on the wall in front of our shop. That's when people come to here, it is giving good spirits. I mean, people are willing to peace, love, and happiness. Okay. Then I'll show you how to get the colors from rainbow tree. Then you can have a look around. Let's see. Sri Lanka. This is all native Sri Lankan trees.
This is the main place.
Sorry.
Where do you get it?
These things are actually everywhere, but this would not everywhere. This is the somewhere in Sri Lanka growing. It's some more expensive. That's why we are keeping only for color making. And here, these two most expensive. And when we cut down the trees and we have to get the permission from the government, when we purchasing also, when we got cutting down the one tree, we have to replant 20 trees. If we do not like this, punish to us, and we have to apply 100 trees. Okay. So sandalwood actually here in Sri Lanka we have a I think India is very famous. I think very famous Veerappan area. Yeah, I heard that. In Sri Lanka is somewhere. That's why the most expensive one is sandalwood. Yeah. Let's see. It's a rainbow tree, rainbow wood. Now we are making different colors.
Wait, is that a dye?
Yes, of course. rainbows. You can see now.
And this is from the rainbow tree, right?
Rainbow tree, that's right.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's where they get the dyes to make the colors.
colors, and we applied for the thing. I show you, okay?
Okay.
Keep in your mind when you start in science, then you can inform to your teacher and your friends.
He likes
also.
science.
Yeah, science.
Yeah.
It's like a science lesson. Then put into the glass and come with like this color.
Oh, okay.
This is the original saffron color. You know, all Buddhist monks when they were in Sri Lanka, they have applied their robes. This is saffron, okay? Then we use, this is metal iron stick. When we add it to here, you can see another reaction.
Yeah.
So yeah, it becomes much darker.
Much darker. We call that oxidization with the oxide. Okay?
Okay.
Oxidization. Then we use lime or lemon, and you can see the now. Now we are taking yellow color like
Okay.
this. And now I'm going to add in calcium carbonate. You know calcium carbonate? When old blackboards used for writing,
Oh yeah.
Chalk.
you seen it there?
Yeah.
CaCO3. Now I am going to add into here, okay, and then you can get the idea about this color. Now I am going to ask one question. Are you ready? I think Mama and Dada are also ready. You are going to learn it science. You are going to when I think now start it.
I'm in 4th standard.
That's your beginning.
Starting,
Okay,
yeah.
yeah. And I think Mama and Dada
No,
they done
not the great.
science, chemistry when they were in school. Okay, easy question. Which color come next? You can get the idea environment, and we done something for that color for items also.
Let me.
Blue or yellow.
Now yellow.
Now level.
Yellow, yes.
Now it's
Next,
yellow.
Next, green.
green. And
Green or
Papa's time. Ask which color.
I don't know, maybe pink.
Pink and Mama
I
time.
think it's a blue.
Confirm. Actually, this time Ola wrong, but get it
Black?
another time.
Okay.
Which color? You can see that's here, and something you can
Brown?
brown,
I think so. The level will become a little more whiter.
more whiter.
Yeah, because this is much whiter.
Yes, that's a one side.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
it will become some perfect color level or that color.
Which color?
This color.
This color. Let's see.
Yeah, let's see.
I think you can start.
And Dada, which color? Ask. Did you ask?
Brown?
Brown. And Mum?
I was into blue or green.
Blue or green. Okay, let's see. Now we can see the correct.
Orange!
Or it's purple.
That's
Oh!
Purple. I was little bit closer.
yeah.
Because I saw this.
That's right.
A little bit closer.
So, like this, we are making basic colors, man.
Okay.
Then we
Okay.
can mix together. We are making more than 100 colors. These colors we are applying for these things.
So you're mixing the colors and you're doing.
Wait, so you
Okay.
take away the dye here out of the liquid and you put it on your structures.
Yes, of course. You know, and this thickness also we can add to bigger spaces. But when we add in details, we boiled and we get more thick.
I think so that is fine.
That's the one block, one piece of it.
Okay.
Wait, do they make the paints over here?
Yeah, that's what we are
Using
doing.
the rainbow tree, right?
Rainbow tree, yeah, that's right. Actually,
6 months time.
6 months time, sir. Actually, sir, we have sent like this some 2-3 pictures because of when we do the, progressing time, we are taking some images and update to the customer. And after finished product, again take it the picture and send to customer and see that's okay. Then we will arrange transport. Come and sit and walk.
Downstairs.
Yeah, downstairs now. Welcome our gallery.
Get on, get on.
It's mine different.
You Cindy, this will be into a temple?
These things?
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, there's just some.
I think so they send this to
Yes.
the temple.
Oh, people can make temples in their homes, right?
Oh my god, there's so much elephants.
Then, sir, ma'am, now you can take a time, okay? Have a look around, sir. We're looking, if you're interested by our productions, you can see it.
Wow. They look so realistic.
Prices, for times. Price?
They add every detail. Wow. Wow. I saw.
Wow.
What's this? Is this a helmet?
It looks like an elephant,
An elephant
but
trunk.
it's like in modern art.
Modern art, yeah, modern. It's an elephant. It's like a toy elephant. Yeah. They have even other animals. Look, Amma.
8,000, huh? Sri Lankan money.
Amma, look at the other animals which they made. The heaviest wood ever. They made it from.
Because that's a double color.
See, look at the natural painting, man.
Yeah, look at this.
It's all natural painting.
And it's all made from the rainbow tree.
Yeah. So you learned a lot today?
Huh? I learned so much. And look at the gold. Is this actually gold?
No,
It's a
Paint.
so that is $9,500.
$900.
$500? Oh my god. That was so much money.
So you're all making the difference. That's why the price is low.
Oh look. They also made a man fishing.
Yeah, Johan. Where the part of the car?
It's just so much.
The box then. Open the now. ഊത് വെക്കണം ഒന്ന് പെണ്ണ് വെക്കണ ബോക്സാ
Oh my god, there's so much. This is just...
Oh, these are drums.
Huh?
Drums.
Drums, yeah. But they're not real drums.
Yeah, they are real.
Oh, yeah. They make drums here?
Yeah, this would be made with animal skin.
Yeah, animal skin or animal bones.
Animal skins.
Meditation. Oh, if you do not stop it, let's continue. Oh, here again. When you wake up, before start out, you can do the just 5-10 minutes and then come to the
I have seen something like this in the massage centers, right? They used to do actually for peace.
that's for the meditation.
I hope you like this wood carving factory. I learned so much new things. For example, the dye which they take from the rainbow tree. also they make different colors